Hello guys, I am Vishnupriya. Today I am presenting my project LinkSphere, an intelligent URL sorted with the analytical platform. This application is developed using React.js as the front end, Node.js and Express.js as the backend, and MongoDB Atlas as the cloud database. The main objective of the project is to allow user to create the shorted URL, track visitor analytics, monitor click activities, and manage links through a secure dashboard. Let me start with an authentication module. This is my register page. A new user can create an account by providing their full name, email address, and password. Once register is successful, the user can proceed to log in, but I have already created, so that I am going to sign in page. This is my login page, which means a sign in page. Now I am logging into applications using register credential. I enter my email address and password. This is my dashboard page. After successful authentication, the user redirect to the dashboard. The dashboard is the central management area, At the top of, we can see the several summary cards. First of all, the total links display the total number of shorted URLs created by the current users, okay? And next, total clicks. It shows combination number of visitors received across all the links. And next, unique visitors. It is represent the number of distant visitor tracked by the analytic systems. And next, active links. Active links indicate the how many URLs currently active and availability for redirection. Now I will create a new shorted URL. Here I click on the new link button. And the first field accept the original destination URL that need to be shortened. I will copy paste the YouTube link. This was a big URL. And next field is allow user to specify the custom alias. Instead of using randomly generate the shortcode, users can create the meaningful shorted URL. So I put on this. And next field, it is click limit. It is allow the user to define how many times a link can be accessed before automatically becoming inactive. So I put on 50. And expiry date fully optional. Allows the user to specify a data after which the links will be automatically expire. When I click the create a shorted link, a request is sent to the backend API. The backend generate the unique shortcode, validate the URL, store the records in the MongoDB Atlas, and return the newly created shorted URL. I enter the date of month and year. Month is 12 and date is this also 12. Enter 2026 and timing 10:30. I choose A. So now click the create short link. You see the short link created successfully. Below that, these are showing. I will show you this link working or not. I just copy this link and I paste it here. You see last Alice name is Merle. I just enter. It is
Hello,
redirect. It is redirect to this page because this link I will copy for demo. The dashboard also provides search and filter capabilities. The search bars allow user to quickly find the links using either original URL or alias. I just enter the previous URL. It was showing, and I enter the mod. I just create now. This also showing, and the status filter provides the three options. See the first option, all status display every URL created by the user, and second is active, displays only links that are currently active. The one is showing, and another one is inactive. Display links that have been displayed either manually due to expiry or because they are reached their click limiters. Okay, and the sorting filter provides the additional organized option. These have two options I mentioned. Newest first display the most recently created link at the top, and most clicked display links based on the popularities with the highest clicked URL appear first. These features this is most and this is newest first. And these features makes link management much easier when user have a large number of URL. We can see the list of all created URL. For each URL, dashboard display the shorted URL and original destination URL, created data, clicks, statistic and status, and availability actions. And then the copy buttons allow the user to instantly copy the shorted URL. Let's try. You saw the copied. And then QR button generate the QR code that can scan it using mobile devices. I show you. And this also. These features improve accessibility and sharing conventions. This applications also provides link control functionalities. If a link is currently active, click the pause button will deactivate. I show you. This also become inactive. Once deactivate the shorted URL will stop the redirecting users. Similarly, click the activate will reactivate the inactive link and make it as accessible again. This allows the user to control URL abilities without deleting the records. I will show you. I click the activate button, this status will be activate now. This also. Now two links are activated by clicking pause button or inactive button. Now let us analyze the performance of the shorted URL. I click the analytic button. This analytics provides detailed insights of the visitor activities. At the top, total links display the number of times the URL has been accessed, and Unique vectors represent the number of distant, which means visitors. And click limit display the configured click registrations. And status shows whether the URL is currently active or inactive. Next, we have click the trend chart. This graph visualized how traffic changed over the time. The data displayed here is generated for the MongoDB analytics records and aggregated using the backend service. It helps user understand the engaged patterns and identify the traffic peaks. And below that we can see the device analytics. The applications automatically process the user agent information and categories visitors as desktop, mobiles or tablet. And this helps user understands which devices are generating the most traffic. I used two devices. One is the mobile and another one is desktop. Desktop is more than 30 times and mobile is using 3 times. And here we can see the referred analysis. These charts show whether visitors are coming from. For example, visitors may arrive directly through social media, search engines, or other applications. Understanding traffic source helps evaluate marketing effectiveness. So, this is top refers. And next, geographic distribution. The next is geographic distribution. The backend process visitor IP information and identify the geographical locations. These analytics data is stored in a MongoDB and aggregate for the reporting. These features helps user understand audience distribution across the different regions or locations. And at the bottom we have recent visited history tables. Every time a visitor accesses the shorted URL, a new analytics record is stored in the MongoDB. These tables display the exact visited timestamp, visitor country and browse information, and then device type. The country information is obtained through the geo-IP processing. Browser details are also extract from the request header, and device information is derived from the user agent processing. These pursued details visibilities into the visitor activities. User can also export analytic reports and the Excel format. When I click the export Excel, and the backend generate the Excel report contain analytic information. This report can download and be used to further analytic or report. I just click the export Excel button and it will download it. I will show you. These are the record. Now let me explain the backend architecture. These applications follow the modular backend architecture. The module folder defines MongoDB collections such as user, link, and click the analytics. See that? And the rooters folders contain the REST API and the endpoints. And controller folders handle the incoming request and response. And service folder contains the business logic, analytic calculation. And utility folder contains the geopath utilities, extract the countries and extract the countries browser and device the information from the visitor request. And the analytics service perform MongoDB aggregation to generate the chart tracks and visitor status and reports. This is MongoDB Atlas used as a cloud database for the project. User accounts are stored in a user collections. I will show you. I have created one user and shorted URLs are stored in a link collection. This also I will show you. Every visitor interaction is stored in a link analytic collection. This whenever a user create a URL, update the URL, or when a visitor access a shorted link, MongoDB is updated automatically. This ensure all analytics data remain persistent and availability for the reporting. Finally, LinkSphere is the complete URL management platform that combines secure authentication, URL shortening, custom alias, click limits, expiry management, QR code generation, device analytics, geographic analytics, visitor tracking, Excel reporting, and MongoDB powered data analytics into the single application. Thank you for watching my project demonstration.